We're going to talk for a moment about robotic surgery and knee replacements. So knee replacement is a big operation and it's clearly key to get best possible outcome. In search of getting proper ligament balancing around the joint, we have access to, I guess broadly speaking, two different techniques. We've got manual instrumentation techniques, and robotic technology is increasingly popular. It's been growing steadily over the last 10 years or so. So what's the point of robotics? Well, firstly, to talk you through the process of having robotic surgery, first and foremost, we need to have a really good understanding of what shape and size your bone is. So for that, we acquire a CT scan so that we can map out the size and shape and choose the right implant for you, one that's going to fit well and that can be positioned as optimally as possible. Following that, the second part of it is that during the surgery itself, it's the equivalent of a GPS system, which is essentially tracking where the leg is, tracking where the bones of your knee are, and tracking the tools and instruments that we're using to perform the surgery to ensure that we can only then implant the knee replacement in exactly the right spot. Now, we get feedback during the surgery to tell us what balance there is in the knee, and to the 1/4 millimeter or so, we can be very exacting in our preparation of the bones and the balancing of the ligaments. The evidence that's available to us suggests that patients who have robotic surgery can experience a more rapid recovery with less pain. And if we think about the reasons why that might be, if the ligaments around the joint are balanced most appropriately and most optimally, that should in theory mean that that joint should function better in the longer term. And that's our hope, and that's one of the exciting potential outcomes of robotic surgery in knee replacement.